Hi, I'm Tschiesche. I am here today with Simply Good Food TV to talk to you about my new book, Sheet Pan Cooking. You can see that I'm in a rather beautiful place. I'm actually in Keswick in the Lake District. There's snow-capped mountains in the distance and I'm cooking outside on an outside oven, and that just proves how easy sheet pan cooking is. Just an oven and some sheet pans or baking trays is all you need. This is the simplest recipe. It's a dessert that I'm going to be making using banana, dark chocolate and cinnamon. 3 ingredients. How simple is that? So all we're going to do is take the bananas and peel them. And these are actually slightly green, these bananas. From a nutritional standpoint, I like that. It means they're not as sweet and they're not as sugary, but they're more starchy. And that's actually quite good for us and good for our gut health. Right, so we're going to just peel the banana and then we're going to make a slice down the curve of the banana, and I'd be really careful not to go all the way through here, because you want to just sort of create almost like a sort of a crevice for some dark chocolate to be able to be positioned within. Now I'm going to use some thin 70% dark chocolate. Now I normally would use chocolate buttons, dark chocolate buttons with this, but I couldn't get any, so I'm being adaptable and flexible. So I'm going to create almost like a ridge, or if I could find that slit that I put into that banana, a ridge on the banana. Just pop the dark chocolate into that little crevice that you created with the knife. Doesn't really have to be too artistic. And then we're going to put that final one in there at the end. And then we're going to sprinkle a very small amount of cinnamon on the top, about 1/8 of a teaspoonful on each one. In fact, I use the end of a teaspoon for this, and just try and sprinkle it over. The wind is helping with distribution today. So then we're going to put the parcel together. We'll just wrap it up, fold it over at the ends, and then we'll pop it on our baking tray, and we'll pop that into our outdoor oven and just leave it till it gets all sugary sweet and that dark chocolate has melted and the cinnamon flavors have combined with the sweet banana. So I've wrapped all of the bananas, chocolate in between, cinnamon on top, wrap them up, put them on a baking tray. I'm going to pop them in the oven for about 10 minutes until they're lovely and sweet and melted. So I'm going to have a little look, see whether our bananas with melted chocolate are done. So let's open them up and have a look. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. So all the sugars in the banana are caramelized. We've got the melted chocolate and that dusting of cinnamon over the top. And there is our baked chocolate bananas. I really hope you've enjoyed these recipes from Sheet Pan Cooking, my new recipe book. I'm Tschiesche, and today I've been in Keswick in the Lake District filming with Simply Good Food TV.